Hey, little yogis. We're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start.
Sit comfortably and prepare to stretch. Gently stretch your neck and relax. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch your shoulders nice and slow. Reach up and stretch your side. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Twist gently to stretch your back. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Open your hips like a butterfly. Stretch your back and legs slowly. Open your legs and stretch wide. Rest and stretch your back. Find a strong and steady base. Let your chest melt down. Stretch your whole body here. Fold down and stretch your back. Lift halfway and lengthen spine. Stretch your hips gently. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch the back of your leg. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Relax your body and breathe.
Amazing work, yoga friends. You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.